Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this cut crease eye makeup look with smoke wing liner. It's the kinda tricky look, and I will try my best to teach as simple as I can. Keep on watching. This brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking this maroon shade from Jacqueline Hill palette, applying over half of my crease. When I reach the end of my crease, just drawing a little flick. As you can see there what I am doing. Same on the other eye. Adding color gradually and enhancing the pigment of my shade. Here I am making sure that both of my wings are the same. This short smudger brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking this dark brownish shade, applying over maroon shade to make it look more deeper and contour. Same on the other eye. This tiny fluffy blending brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking this brown shade, slightly blending my crease. By the way, the lenses are from UNICOEYE, and by using my code TUBA25 you will get 25% off on your purchase. I will link the shade name and website in the description bar. Same on the other eye. Taking the same maroon, enhancing the shade more to make it look more vibrant and blended. This brush is also from Morphe brushes, and it's a big one. Taking this neutral brown shade and blending the harshness of my crease. This angled brush is from Color Studio Professionals, and this concealer is from RIMMEL Cosmetics. Applying the concealer with the same method. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, taking the same maroon, drawing a wing liner with the shade and smoking out it as well. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, taking this shade, enhancing the crease. Taking the same blending brush, blending my crease and soften the crease. This dust is from ZHOOSH and shade 14 number. This brush is from Morphe brushes. Dipping my brush in that dust and tapping on my lip. This brush is also from Morphe brushes. Taking this darker brown shade, applying over my wing and smoking out a little bit. Taking the same brush and shade, blending my wing. Same on the other eye. This brush is from ZHOOSH Cosmetics. Taking this shimmery red shade, applying it to the outer V of my eye. I have done my lower lash line and apply some falsies off camera. And this is the final look. Hope you will all like it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.